This is the only video that you need to watch as a creator or somebody who's aspiring to be a full-time creator and really run up a bag in 2026. As you can see to the right of me, this is a plaque. This is not a YouTube plaque. This is a plaque for making over $100,000 online. As you can see right here, I've made $225,000 on just this one dashboard. And as you can see, that's my name right there. And I've made well over $250,000. This is just one dashboard. So I'm about to get into exactly how I've been able to do this and how you can do the same thing. The problem with a lot of people who want to be creators and who want to be influencers is that they're looking forward to followers and likes. You're looking forward to engagement and comments. This is the downfall of a lot of people who start out with content creation. I know you want to be big. I know you want to have the glitz and the glam of looking like you're famous, but in reality, the most famous people on the internet are sometimes the brokest people on the internet. The reason why is because most creators are relying on views from the platform in order to get paid. And I was one of them. I have a YouTube channel, not this channel, but I have a YouTube channel that I grew to over 150,000 subscribers. Just from me being entertaining and showing my personality, whatever the case may be, right? And I was actually relying on the payments from that channel to survive for my livelihood. Food, bills, rent. I had one good month on YouTube. Then I had another good month right after that on YouTube. Probably made about 4K one month. Then I made about 5K the next month. This was around 2021, 2022. And this is when I realized that I can no longer rely on views and engagement to actually support myself financially. I went from making 4 to 5K a month to the next month making under $1,000. And at that moment, I realized if you don't have a core fan base or you're not already super famous and you get a consistent amount of views that you're going to pull in regardless, then relying on platform views is the biggest way to fail as a content creator. I figured out that I can no longer rely on views from TikTok, YouTube. So I had to figure out another way to monetize my social media. That $225,000 that I just showed y'all, that was not from any of these platforms paying me. The $100,000 that I made from that plaque that I just showed you, that was not from any of these platforms paying me. What I just showed you was my stanstore dashboard. So the same way how a lot of y'all know about Shopify, a lot of y'all know about Wix, Beacons. These are all hosting platforms where you can list your digital products. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people use these platforms for digital products. Some use them for physical products. But what changed the trajectory for me and allowed me to become a full-time content creator is by me offering digital products. This changed everything because now I don't have to get 1 million views in order to get paid. Now I can reach my target audience, whether that be 50, 100 people, and I can still get paid because I have a product or service that people find valuable. So this is where you have to make that pivot in your business, in your creation, in the way that you create, and start having an entrepreneurship mindset instead of an influencer mindset, instead of a content creator mindset. Having just like a content creator mindset a lot of times will keep you stuck and stagnant because you're relying on views, you're relying on brand deals. And all of this can change in a matter of a month. You know what I'm saying? It can just fluctuate. So what you want to do is you want to create a product or service based around a skill set that you have. Every big time entrepreneur that you know, Gary Vee, Alex Hormozy, Jeff Bezos, all of these people, you know what I'm saying? They all have a product or service that they offer, whether that be something as simple as an ebook. So what I'm telling you is instead of you relying on TikTok to pay you out for you getting 1 million views in a month, or YouTube to pay you out for you getting 1 million views in a month, how about you come up with a product or service so that way even if your videos flop, guess what? As long as you provided value, you still have a fair chance to make money, even if it's $25 from somebody purchasing your ebook. And this is what I teach you how to do. I teach you how to not only create content, but create content that sells. This is the difference between a lot of people who make content. A lot of people just make content aimlessly without a sales strategy. When you develop your product or service based around whatever skill set it is that you might have, think of whatever it is that you can teach the next person. Then you create your ebook. Let's just say you're starting out with a simple ebook. You can literally use ChatGPT to help you create an ebook in less than 30 minutes. And then you can go on Canva and customize your ebook, and you can design it however you want. Canva will allow you to upload pictures that you found on Google, Pinterest, whatever, and brand your product however you want. Real simple and easy, right? But now the part that people struggle with the most is the marketing part. A lot of people do not know how to create content that will drive traffic to their site. A lot of people don't know how to build a strong personal brand that allows people in on their story, that allows people to resonate with them and become a relatable person, all while still trying to make sales. This is the skill that I've been able to learn over the past year that allowed me to make $250,000 online and live life on my own terms. Literally, I wake up, I get on TikTok, post some videos, I get on Instagram, I post consistently on Instagram, and every now and again I'll come and post a YouTube video, which I'm gonna be more consistent on here, just coming on here giving y'all the game. But the name of the game is providing real value. You know what I'm saying? Actually teaching your audience something. Not everybody, but your target audience. You want to have a product, ebook, course, guide, online training, right? Then you want to have a problem that you're solving with that product, right? And then you also want to be able to know who you're trying to help. Who is your target audience? What specific group of people are you trying to help? This will prevent you from thinking that you have to get 1 million views in order to get paid. That one small change allowed me to go from being a broke, burnt out content creator to making multiple 6 figures, y'all. If you are somebody who is serious about getting into digital marketing, offering digital products, I developed a service with me and my team, and we have 5 spots available. It's going to be first come, first serve. First link in the description, where we literally will build your digital marketing business for you, giving you the same system that I used. I'm going to give you the same exact digital products that I am currently using. These products have private label rights attached to them. So that means you can sell these products for 100% profit. So I'm going to give you 5 of my most lucrative digital products that I offer online. I'm going to customize them for you and brand them to your liking. I'm going to build your website for you. I'm going to give you done-for-you emails. I'm going to give you a personalized content strategy, 90 days of content that you can follow that will help you be able to market these products. I'm also going to give you my digital marketing class for free along with the setup, and you're going to get ongoing support from me, mentorship from me while we are building out your site. We are going to do this for 5 people. And your site will be done in 5 days or less. You're gonna be good to go. This is for people who wanna start this business completely hands off and let us take care of the whole process for you. It's gonna make your life easier. And guess what? You can literally start for a fraction of the price if you check out with Klarna or Afterpay. You might be busy with school or working jobs, and you want me and my team to take care of the whole setup part and the back end systems for you so that you can go ahead and just start posting your content. This is the service for you, man.